Hey guys, this is Will here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. We got yet another custom build coming out of the custom shop here at Cross Jeep. This is a 2026 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. It's in the Firecracker Red exterior clear coat. It's got cloth interior seats. Give you up close on this Firecracker Red. It looks fantastic. You're gonna get the vented hood, LED lighting. That's going to be LED headlights. You also got the LED fog lights. We installed a AEV 2-inch spacer kit lift, if you can see that AEV stamp. So that's going to go on all four corners. Going to bring the factory ride height up 2 inches. Then we went with some black Nomad wheels, which are a 17-inch. And then wrapped around those are a 37-inch Toyo open country tire. These are all terrains. Got the rock rails, standard with the Rubicon. This one does have the 3.6 liter V6. Interior wise, nothing has changed. Got your leather wrapped steering wheel. Got your cloth Rubicon seats. Got your touchscreen display. There's your button layout with the cold weather package. Check this out. You also got this Sky one-touch power top, which would come super handy, especially today here in Louisville, Kentucky. It's about 80 degrees, nice and sunny. We had a little dry spell finally. It was raining for about 4 days straight. Got your LED taillights. Looks like we also upgraded the Teraflex. I guess it'll be like the third brake light. And we also installed the Teraflex heavy duty tire carrier. Support that big 37-inch tire. And then of course, we also got the tow package. Let's open up this back and see if we got any other goodies included with this build. Looks like it's pretty standard. No Alpine, premium sound. Close this up. Plenty of room for your storage or cargo in the back. Give you a full walk around. I'll also go ahead and open up the passenger door. Let you have a look from, I guess, a different angle. Got your perforated leather. I mean, this is a really nice build. I mean, heck, even the Sky One Touch Power Top is like a $1,500 factory option. The sun kind of came out. Get a glimpse of that Firecracker Red out in the sun. But yeah, other than that, just one more build we can add to the list. 2026 Firecracker Red Wrangler Rubicon. Got the AEV 2-inch spacer kit lift, 17-inch Nomad wheels, and then 37-inch Toyo open country tires. Other than that, be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below, and y'all have a wonderful day.